Hello everyone, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy. Today I am finally in my Skinny Classic. This is the one I'm using as a gratitude journal. We're going to decorate a week in there, and it's going to be with winter icons from Kell of a Plan, and I might use some dates and things from that other book that dated. No, it's called Dated Basics. I'm not sure yet. I haven't decided. We'll see how it looks. So I haven't started using this one yet, and it's okay. It's just a gratitude journal for my husband and I am going to do a plan with me of these pages, I believe, because I know not a lot of people, do plan with me's for these, and I know a lot of people use the Skinny Classics. I went ahead, I had some stickers left over from my vertical planner spread, and I just decided to finish off the sheets and put them on that first week so it wouldn't be blank. But this week, I wanted to use this sticker set. Let me move my little plant over here. I like the flowers, and it's really cold outside, so it's going to be cold this week. And so I thought that would be a good one to use. And I'm going to use this buffalo plaid washi that kind of matches that one. I have some other ones. I think this one matches better, but I don't like how it's off-centered. Like, it might work if you're going across, but I want to use it in the middle. And I don't like this extra line over here, see? So little things like that kind of bother me. So I'm not going to use that. I'm going to put this like this. And then I'm going to run the washi down the middle. Hopefully I can get it straight without messing it up. So let's do like this. And then hopefully we're straight on there. And it looks like I'm a little more to this side, but I'm okay with it. I think it's all right. And we're just going to get started just like that. And who knows, maybe I won't like that and I'll decide to take it off. Who knows? I like to put stuff on my page and then take it off. Okay, let's go. So I might go, like, because I wanted to use this one not just as a gratitude, but sometimes, something good happened on a particular day or something, which I guess is kind of gratitude. I'm going to go through my catch-all and just see what little things I can put on each day. And then I'll start putting it in my room. And my husband and I, right before bed, we just hurry up and jot some things down. And then I was thinking for this page, the other one, the one that's like the list, I'm not sure yet, but I think I'm going to use that as a, not meal planner, but sort of like what we ate. And that way, at the end of the year, I already have something kind of with all of our meals set up, and I don't have to think. Okay, so I knew I like these. Oh, these were pretty cool. So I'm going to put one over here, and that just drives me nuts. I'm going to move that stupid plant. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting angry. That plant always being in my way. It looks nice, but it's just not functional when I'm trying to plan stuff. And I'm supposed to be starting my decluttering, and I have not started. But really, this is officially the first week, right, of January, so I'm not late. This is the first week I started working out. Actually, it was just today. Trying to get back into my fitness routine. It's tough. Okay, I love that. She does not have any quotes in here. I'll have to look for some like fun. I think I've got her volume 2, which I almost started using because it's got really cute stickers in here, but I had already decided on this, so before trying to figure out another spread, I was like, nope, just stick to it. Snowflakes or Kisses from Heaven. I kind of like that one, and it matches, unless if there's like there's more, a bunch of, ooh, wow, okay. No winter lasts forever. Let it snow somewhere else. I like that. I do not, I mean, I wouldn't mind, I live in Florida. I wouldn't mind if it snowed like once and just a little bit and then melted and went away. But I am definitely not a cold weather person. I am from the Caribbean, and I like it warm. Okay, let's see. Kind of want to use this one too, but I'm trying to decide. I don't want to cover up too much of this over here, but let's see. Let's see where we can place it. Or maybe we do a different one, like a smaller one over here, just to kind of break it up. This one's kind of cute. Let's use this one, if I can get it off. I'm going to have a nail appointment on Thursday. I'm so sick of this red. It's going to feel good to get it off. All right. Okay, well, that's how that's going. I don't like that white showing down there though. Let's see. It's a little, I need to move it down just a little bit, I think. Let's do it. Whoa. All right, let that cool off a second. And then for the tops, what do we want to put up there? I could get like this one and cut it in half, or probably these with a January on top of it. I think that's what would look good. Yeah, so like, was it this one? It's this one. I'm going to put one of each over at the top. And it'll be sort of like, you know, everything's framed with flowers. All right, I definitely like this one. Let's go like that. Just a little bit off of where we were. And this one over here is bright. I didn't love it, and I didn't do a plan with me. I was just trying to use up that page of stickers. Okay. I like that. Let's know somewhere else. What would look good? Oh, that's right. We're going to do these flowers on the top. Let's go ahead and do that. Where'd they go? Keep losing them. Is it these two? Yeah. And I did like a January from that data book, so maybe that's what I'll grab. Because that January is kind of boring. Yeah. Pull it off. Okay. I do like the green showing. So let's do like this. So, kind of messed it up a little bit right here. That one, and then we'll put this one over here like this. Okay. And actually, we could probably move this piece over here just to kind of extend the look like that. And then the same with this one. We'll cut it and go this way. All right, so who started using all of their planners? All of you multi-planner people. I think I've used everything so far. I mean, I haven't used this one, but I'm starting tonight. Everything so far except for my creative journal. Okay. And then I want to put a January up here. And I saw one. I think it was, let's see. It's like a colored one. Ooh, I wish it was that color. It was this one. Was it this? Was there a smaller one? Might have been a slightly smaller one. Let's see. That's black. That doesn't match. I thought this one matched, but now I'm looking at it, it's kind of big. So maybe we go with black. I think so. Let's go with this black one up here. It says January. Okay. And then I wonder, I know she's got some 2025s back here. I wonder if there's one that matches that font. It's sort of like a bouncy font. Doesn't look like it for 2025. And this one, but no, these all look kind of too big. Okay, we'll just leave the other 2025. It's fine. All right, let's add a box or two. I kind of like this one, but it's, I don't think the other ones are going to be able to be like that. So, here they are. Okay. Definitely need to have the green. Let's start with the green one here. And then the tan. How about we do a smaller tan one here? Along with, do we have a smaller black one? No. All right, then let's use this one. So in here, maybe I'll put my, what I'm grateful for this day, and he can put his. And I was thinking of using black, but now I'm not sure because it seems like it'll be a little harsh on there. and I would have to use 2 of them to balance them out. So maybe 1 here. See, they're like kind of in face. So let's skip the black ones and stick to the light browns. Let's try, I think I need 1 here and 1 here. So let's do, since we did these 2 here, how about we do these 2? They're a little bigger. And those can go up here. I'm thinking like that. Yeah, that looks nice. Like that. And like that. Okay. Let's see what we put. I need 1 here. I think I want, do you want another green? The same green? Or is that too much green? I kind of like the green. I'm thinking maybe one of the smaller boxes should have been green. Let's see. We've got this one. I guess we could do like, let's try putting this one. I wish it was that color. I don't think I have one that's that color. Let's add a little decoration and then I'll decide if that's what we're going to do. Okay. So I definitely like these boots. I think these are cute. And I want to use these. Where do they fit the best? I'm guessing they fit the best right here. Let's put these here. Hopefully they look nice and straight. Okay. And then what goes with those? How about we put, let's see. Should it be all boots? No. Oh yeah, I gotta tie in some of this plaid. I kind of want to do one of these little candles. Maybe inside the this big box. Let's see. Like in there, or is that too big? Let me see if there's a smaller candle. This one is the smaller candle. Okay. If I cut the bottom. I don't like it. No, I don't like it. Let's put this one here. And what can go next to it? I don't like how it's just kind of floating. I hate how that looks. What do I want up here? These? Or is there a smaller one? I like the watch. Let's do this one. Because I want to add some of that plaid in there. So let's see. That's cute. But it's like a little too big. What can I add that's not so big? Let's do the gloves. The gloves and the watch. And then for this one, maybe we add a flower. Like I feel like it's, I don't know, just kind of big and got the socks. Let's try this flower. Yeah, I think I'll like that. Let's put this flower here or over here on the top. Oh, I kind of like it on the top. Let me try this. I hope I don't regret this. Let's see. There we go. I like that. That's cute. Okay. Then, what else do we need? I feel like this one's a little lonely. So, what goes good with that one? I would say like the coffee, but I don't know, it's just kind of big. The pillows. It's kind of weird. Got the socks. Let's see how the socks look. Just don't want it to look like we're setting the socks on fire. No, I don't like the socks there. These socks need to go with the shoes. Nope. All right, no socks. How about something here? Oh, let's do this little hat. I can put the hat. I like that. That's kind of cute. I'm going to put it right here. There we go. There's the hat. So maybe we put, I don't know, maybe like a half a flower sticking out of this from the back of it. Let's do that. That one's kind of big. And I had those little pieces, but I don't think that this will work. So it needs to be from this one. Like if I just cut the little greenery off. I wonder how that would look. And I could put the other half over here. Well, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Worst case scenario, we just can't use this sticker. So I'm going to do like that. Just kind of cut out the leaves a little bit. And then I'm going to lift this up a little. Because I kind of, or should I just put it on top? I don't know. And cut off some of the clear. This. Like that. Let's just put it on top. Let's see how it looks. That doesn't look bad. Whoops, I lifted it up a little bit there. It didn't look bad until I did that. It's like I folded it onto itself. Okay. That looks kind of good. Why is my camera shaking so much? Okay. Yeah, I like that. That looks good. So do we want a box here? Or something small and a box? Okay, I'm going to use this one. It's going to go right here on Sunday. Lots of pillows for Sunday. I like that. Okay. I think that looks cute. I think this one looks a little crooked, but I'm okay with it. I like it. I think it's good enough. Yep. Okay. Let's punch it and see. I kind of wanted to color the days of the week with the marker. Let's see how that looks first. Just to add a little more color. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All right, that looks good. I'm out of practice of doing the skinny classics, but we will get better. All right, where is my planner? Here we go. Let's see. And there we go. There's a nice little winter spread ready for my gratitude journal with my husband. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.